Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Shivaj Thorat. So today's date is the 24th August in 2022. So today's I will discuss about the what is a difference between Java and JavaScript. So first is I will talk about the what is meant by the Java and JavaScript. So first is the what is meant by the Java. So Java is the language that is object-oriented network centric and multi-platforms compatible. Java is utilized as a computing platform and was developed by the Sun Microsystem and released in 1995. This was later taken over by Oracle Corporation. Java can run and virtual mechanisms here to code up for Java need to compile. So what is meant by the JavaScript? So not JavaScript is not a part of Java platform. So JavaScript is a scripting language that is object based and helps to create web pages. So JavaScripts are the used to the helps to the creating the new web pages, and Java is not part of the Java platform. JavaScript is not part of the Java platform. So this language is follows the rules of the silent side programming. So it functions on the web browser without any need to interfaces. So it is developing Netscape the code, and for JavaScript is compile the text. So JavaScript is the used to the compile the text. So it is resource of the file. So what is the main topic of the what is difference between Java and JavaScript? So first is difference. Main difference is the what is the Java, and second is the JavaScript. First is the Java is the object oriented programming language, and so JavaScript is the object based scripting language. So first is the Java is the OOPS language, and JavaScript is the object based scripting language. So Java is the standalone language, and standalone language. So JavaScript is the not standalone language encrypted to the HTML program and for the operation. So it is used to the not standalone encrypted to the HTML programs. So JavaScript is used to the HTML program for operations. So Java language are the strongly typed languages used, and data types is variable is decided to before declaring or using it. So JavaScript language is utilized is loosely typed, and so that the user do not have to write about the types is before to declaration. So code has Java is the code has to be compiled, and JavaScript is the code is all text. When the JavaScripts are the word codes are the text types codes, and Java languages are the all codes are the run to the compile code, and then these codes are the run. Third is the it is used to the platform complex task. And it is JavaScript is the complex task cannot be executed. Java languages are the complex tasks are the executed, and JavaScripts are the do not any complex task are the executed. So these all difference are the used to the Java and JavaScript. So thank you.